The first question. The question is, a body slipping on a rough horizontal plane moves with deceleration 4 meters per second square. What is the coefficient of kinetic friction between block and the plane? So for this, first we will make the diagram. So the diagram is like this. We have a surface and an object is sliding over it. Okay, so subject is sliding and it is decelerating. So decelerating means what? The friction is in backward direction. The object motion is forward, the velocity is forward, the friction is backward. And the value of deceleration is also given. For acceleration, we can write minus 4 meters per second square. Since it is deceleration, we are writing minus 4 meters per second square. Okay. So what is the coefficient of kinetic friction? So how do we write it? How do we solve this question? So suppose the weight is mg and the normal is this one, and there is a friction. Only these three forces are acting on this object. So in vertical direction, if you write along vertical, the normal, upward normal must be equal to downward mg. So normal we can write like this. So this is the normal force. Now how much will be the friction? The friction will be mu times the normal. So mu times the mg. So this is the value of friction force. Now what will be acceleration? So acceleration is friction by mass. The force, the horizontal force by mass. There is only one horizontal force, that is friction. Friction by mass, if you do, we are going to have minus mu mg. Why we have put minus? Because friction is opposing the motion, that's why. So minus mu g. Okay. And now we have all the quantities. The A is given 4, minus 4, and mu is there, and g is 10. So mu will be 0.4. So this is the coefficient of kinetic friction. Why kinetic friction? Because the object is moving on the surface. So this is the kinetic friction. So this is the kinetic friction coefficient. So in this way we can find it.